Hi everyone, thank you for coming again. Thank you for visiting my channel again. So from yesterday, I also carry on how to detail inside of the flower, the sunflower. Let me show you. So even though it's not a dry up properly, but I will just carry on this part anyway. So now I'm just adding a little bit of more than a burnt umber color, which I'm doing inside. Almost like a dark color in here. Yeah, just a little bit step by step. And then inside here, I can see more neutral version of brown. So I'm made by mixing lemon yellow and a little bit of adding the cadmium green pear, so it's less brownish color. Almost it's like a neutral version of brown. Yeah. I think I need more zinc white, so the color is more brighter than before, like that. And now each petals, I'm adding a little bit of shadow color of the orange. So here's the cadmium orange, and I just want to make a shadow of the each petals. So made by mixing, adding a little bit burnt umber here, but it's too dark, so I'm adding more lemon yellow, like this much. But still, it's not a wet, it's not a dry properly, so still wet. So there's always got a blending technique between the layers. I'm adding more, another color, burnt sienna. So each leaves got a shapes in the shadow. And here also. Hope you guys can see properly. As I mentioned yesterday, each petals got a the most intense color of the light on the each petal. So the time yesterday I add yellow, lemon yellow, almost I add the white. So after this shadow color, I'm going to show you, I'm giving you an example how to make a light on each petals. Okay, so now I'm just changing another brush. So this is the zinc white with yellow. This is gonna be a light on the sunflowers leaves, like petals. Maybe in the center, on the top there, here, like that. But actually, in oil painting, the best way to adding a different colors and different tints, it's better to dry up first layers and the second layers, and then paint on top, on the latter layer, on the top of that. It's much easy to see different color, different intense, different tints. But I prefer to using every day, like a wet on wet technique. In the center, I'm adding more greenish color here, so almost like a neutral color in the here, even there, as you can see. I don't know how many people will watch in the future my painting, but sometimes I feel like stuck. I feel like I'm just talking by myself without anybody watching my painting. But I'm enjoying while I'm painting and talking. Just want to share my small painting every day. Hope you guys enjoy, even if in the future maybe. Okay, I think today is done. It's enough already, almost 8 minutes. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening or afternoon. Hope you see you next video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.